Are you tired of reaching for your reading glasses every few minutes? What if I told you that you can protect and even improve your vision naturally, without surgery or relying on stronger and stronger prescriptions? In today's video, we're diving into real, research-based strategies to help you avoid glasses, or at least delay them significantly, even as you get older. Stick around until the end, because tip number 5 is one most people completely overlook. What happens to our eyes as we age? First, let's understand what's going on. As we age, our eyes naturally go through changes. The lens becomes less flexible, making it harder to focus on close objects. This is called presbyopia, and it usually starts after age 40. The macula, the part of the retina responsible for sharp vision, can degenerate over time. Blood circulation to the eyes can slow, reducing oxygen and nutrient delivery. But here's the good news. Lifestyle and nutrition play a powerful role in eye health. Let's get into what you can actually do to support your vision naturally. Tip number 1. Feed your eyes. Literally, to keep your eyes healthy as you age, the first and most powerful thing you can do is eat the right foods. Your eyes depend on a variety of nutrients, especially antioxidants, to protect against age-related damage. A major study called the AREDS, Age-Related Eye Disease Study, by the National Eye Institute found that specific vitamins and minerals can slow the progression of macular degeneration. One of the most important pairs of nutrients for eye health are lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids found in the retina. These act like internal sunglasses by filtering harmful blue light and protecting eye tissues from oxidative stress. You can get them by eating dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. Egg yolks are another excellent source, and they come with healthy fats that help your body absorb these nutrients more efficiently. Another critical group of nutrients are omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which makes up a major part of the retina. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, support tear production, and help maintain the integrity of eye cells. You'll find them in fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. If you're vegetarian or plant-based, you can get omega-3s from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, although these offer a different form called ALA that the body has to convert. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and that's true. Carrots, along with sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and dark leafy greens, are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for night vision and maintaining a healthy cornea. A lack of vitamin A can actually lead to night blindness and dry eyes, so it's important to include these orange and green veggies in your daily meals. Vitamin C is another essential nutrient, acting as a powerful antioxidant that supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes and may help reduce the risk of cataracts. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruits like oranges, but also from strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kiwi. To complement it, you'll also want to include vitamin E, which helps protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and avocados. Finally, zinc plays a crucial role by transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes. Zinc is especially important for night vision and may help slow the progression of macular degeneration. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, lentils, and whole grains. Eating a combination of these foods on a regular basis can give your eyes the protection they need to stay sharp and strong as you age. Tip number 2. Eye exercises that actually work. Yes, you can exercise your eyes, just like any other muscle. The Bates method and more recent studies on visual training show that simple eye movements can help reduce eye strain and improve focusing ability. Try these daily. Near far focusing. Look at something 20 feet away, then something up close. Repeat figure eights. Trace a sideways 8 with your eyes. Palming. Rub your hands together and gently cup your eyes to relax them. Just 5 minutes a day can help relieve tension and strengthen your eye muscles. Tip number 3. Get sunlight, but protect your eyes. Moderate exposure to natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm and supports eye development, even in older adults. But too much UV can damage the retina. Best practice. Get 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight daily. Always wear UV protective sunglasses when the sun is high. Avoid staring at screens in dark rooms. Blue light from screens is linked to eye strain and may affect sleep. Tip number 4. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. This one is especially important if you're using phones, tablets, or reading a lot. The 20-20-20 rule says, every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This simple habit reduces digital eye strain and gives your eye muscles time to relax. Even just blinking more often while on screens can help prevent dry eyes. Tip number 5. The surprising role of blood sugar in eye health. Most people don't connect blood sugar with vision, but they absolutely should. High blood sugar over time damages blood vessels in the retina. This condition is called diabetic retinopathy, and it can happen even in people without diabetes. So how do you protect yourself? Limit processed sugars and refined carbs. Eat balanced meals with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Get regular blood sugar checks, even if you feel fine. Stable blood sugar equals healthier eyes for longer. Let's recap real quick. Checkmark: eat eye-friendly foods. Checkmark: do daily eye exercises. Checkmark: get safe sunlight exposure. Checkmark: follow the 20-20-20 rule. Checkmark: keep blood sugar in check. Remember, glasses are helpful, but they're not the only solution. By taking care of your eyes today, you can protect your vision for years to come, naturally and safely. Let me know in the comments, which tip are you going to try first? Or do you already do any of these? If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to HealthFlow, and share this with someone who's always losing their reading glasses. Until next time, take care of your eyes, and they'll take care of you.